This is the Claridge Review, is where we stay.
The new car that I tried the other day.
Hold on. Main entrance right here. This is the entrance of the Claridge. Walking in. Check-ins right there. Elevators right here. So coming out the second floor elevator from the Claridge, you could somehow enter Bally's casino. So we go through this way, keep going. Follow me. Try to speed it up. Go through here. Oh yes, hold up. Arcades. Your typical air hockey. You got your grab bags. Golf simulator, motors. I'll come back in there to do a bigger review later. Let me show you to the walkway, the connector to the arcades. I mean the casinos. Oh, look at this view. Look at this courtyard view. To the boardwalk. Come on, let's go. Take you to the casinos. Look. As you can see the signs, it says retail shops and Bally's. Bally's. Let's go. Yeah. Alright. This is a famous pizza shop right here. Taste of the Shore and Carluccio's. Carluccio's is right here. Okay. Look at that. Welcome to. All right, we here. This is the walkway from Claridge to the casinos. There's a store right here that sells $4 water. Ta-da! Ta-da, we here, the bright lights, the bar, the gambling. All right, show you more later. Check it out, this is what you got. I'll show you the swimming and fitness center next. 8th floor from the Claridge. You got grand ballroom, the hotel conference connector, you know, I showed you that. The view on the 20th floor. That's the pool area. So yeah, it should be right here. The pool and the gym. Let's take a look. Yep, I smell that Clorox already. This looks like the pool. The Claridge. Medium to big size. Alright. And this would be the gym, which is right next to the pool. Alright, I got a squat rack for you, a Smith bench, press. Show you some more later. This is the view on the 23rd floor of the Claridge. Rooftop bar. Let me show you the view. Come with me. This is your Boardwalk Beach. Here's the other hotels. Got Bally, Caesars. Alright, let me show you the next place later. See, it opens up. Big space. Bathroom to the right. Let's take a look at how it looks. Got a big bathroom here. You got the glass. Got a beautiful lady right there. You know how it goes, you know. Alright, this is your bathroom space. It's like a little big room. Moving out. You got a closet to your left. Right? Here's your closet space. You get to look at it. Not bad. Pretty good for Claridge. Alright. Move over here. Put your little dining table. You know, your basic king size bed. But these guys gave me the city view. Looking like a 25 to 30 inch TV maybe. Alright. Cool painting. So yeah, and they give us the city view. Update you more later. Okay, and that's the Claridge review. Stay in tune for the next hotel review. All right.